Hi, it's United States Queen, and I'm in Kalahari, in Sandusky, Ohio, and here's the room.
You can show my face.
No, we have a hut room. This is a picture of a rhino, and some, I don't know. Here's the balcony. We have a view of, I guess, the animals over there. And then we have a table and chairs. And then we have another door, garbage pail, all the food we brought. And this is what I'm having tonight, chunky soup. And another thing is a closet. And this is my twin, Mary Beth, playing on my laptop. What are you doing? That's cool. Hotmail. And then we have our door. We have the piss pot in the tub. Piss pot tub. And you got the mirror, the sink. And then let's go outside. Okay. This is our room number, 2647. And that pretty much concludes our tour. Thank you for watching. Bye.